Hey guys, welcome to the Betterme review. Is it actually worth it? So if you're looking for a structured fitness app, you might have come across Betterme, but with mixed reviews online, guys, is it actually worth your money in 2025? Now, let's break it down, okay? So what is Betterme first, okay? It is a fitness and wellness app, okay, that provides you personalized workout plans, meal plans, and habit tracking tools, right? And it's designed for people looking for a guided fitness journey with a strong emphasis on weight loss and home workouts. So, first, I'll go over the pros and then I'll give you the cons, okay? And, there's a lot of pros and cons here because, you know, pros, structured reviews and workouts, right? Unlike Apple Fitness Plus or a free YouTube workout, Better Me provides you step-by-step guided programs that are tailored to your fitness level and goals. So many users appreciate the app's focus on, incremental progress, which makes it easier to stay consistent, right? There is, of course, the meal plans or, health coaching. So the app offers you these meal plans and health coaching, right? Based on dietary preferences, which is a plus if you struggle with meal prepping. There are also habit building features like water reminders and meditation sessions, and it's also beginner friendly. So if you're actually new to fitness and need a clear, easy to follow plan, BetterMe provides you a straightforward approach compared to other fitness programs. Now let's go over the cons, which are a lot. There's a lot of cons, okay? Now, one is the aggressive subscription model. This is one of the biggest complaints. The pushy sales tactics. Users report being upsold on additional plans even after purchasing a subscription. So some also say that they were charged after canceling their free trial. There's also a lack of refunds and customer support issues. Many negative reviews mention poor customer service and a difficulty getting refunds after the accidental subscriptions. Okay? And there's also repetitive and basic workouts. While the app is great for beginners, more advanced users might find the workouts too simplistic compared to Apple Fitness Plus or free online alternatives. You can easily ask ChatGPT for a personalized plan. Explain everything to ChatGPT, and it will actually give you a good personal plan, you know? And if you compare it to things like Apple Fitness Plus, well, Apple, let's go over BetterMe first. So BetterMe is best for those who need a strict structure and a guided plan with meal tracking. Now, Apple Fitness Plus offers a more wide range of workouts with high production value, but it requires you to create your own routine. That's the main difference. So, is BetterMe worth it? Well, it depends, okay? If you're a beginner, if you're a complete beginner, and you're looking for structured workouts and meal planning, BetterMe might be a good fit. But be cautious of the subscription model. If you already pay for Apple Fitness Plus or you're comfortable finding workouts online, you might not actually need BetterMe. This is for more very, very beginner people who don't want to put in any effort to search for things online. Very basic stuff. You're going to get very basic stuff. So let me know if you're going to be trying out BetterMe. What is the choice for you? Or you'll be trying some free alternatives. Apple Fitness Plus, what will you be trying? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, if you find this review helpful, make sure you smash that like button, as well as subscribe to FindYourSolution, and I'll see you in the next one.